Most people don't fail at budgeting because they're irresponsible. They fail because the system they're using was never designed for real life. Most budgets feel like financial punishment. Track every dollar. Stop buying coffee. Cut all entertainment. Never spend money on fun, and maybe that works for 2 weeks. But eventually, life gets stressful, motivation disappears, and the entire system collapses. That's why millions of people restart their budget every single month. But wealthy people think about budgeting completely differently. They don't use budgets to restrict life. They use budgets to control cash flow, and that mindset changes everything. The first mistake most people make is obsessing over tiny expenses. They spend hours tracking small purchases while ignoring the bigger financial problem: income structure and spending habits. Rich people focus on the categories that matter most. Usually, only 3. Essentials, investments, lifestyle spending. That's it, because simple systems are easier to maintain long-term. Complicated budgets create stress. Simple budgets create consistency. And consistency is what actually builds wealth. The second mistake is saving money last. Most people get paid. Spend money throughout the month, then try to save whatever is left. Usually nothing is left. Wealthy people reverse the process. They invest first. Before entertainment, before shopping, before unnecessary upgrades. Even small amounts matter, because financial freedom isn't built from one massive paycheck. It's built from repeated habits over time. And this is where most people misunderstand money completely. Wealth is less about income and more about behavior. Someone earning $60,000 with strong financial habits can build more wealth than someone making $250,000 with no control. That happens every day. Now here's another thing nobody talks about. A good budget should still let you enjoy life. If your system makes life miserable, you won't follow it. That's why smart budgeting includes guilt-free spending, travel, entertainment, coffee, eating out sometimes. The goal isn't to pretend you're broke. The goal is to stay financially controlled while still enjoying your life. And finally, automation. This is one of the biggest secrets wealthy people use. They automate savings, investments, bills, because automation removes emotion from money. When systems handle finances automatically, discipline becomes less important. And systems will always outperform motivation. Most people wait until they feel ready to organize their finances. But clarity doesn't come before structure. It comes after structure. And once your money finally has a system, financial stress starts disappearing. That's when real progress begins.